Hey guys, so I have the Sephora play for the month of January, so I want to kind of really see what's in this box and decide if I'm going to keep this subscription, because I am on a declutter low buy this year. If you guys want me to do a video on that, let me know down below and I will do it. But I have really wanted to change my mindset on makeup, on the beauty community, on spending and all that. So if you want a video on that, let me know and I'll do a chit chat on that. So let me just jump into this month's bag. This is the theme this month is horoscopes. So it has like each horoscope on here. So I'm gonna go ahead and get into the products that came in my baggie. So this month it's lately it's been these little baggies like this. It used to be like the little paper ones, or like not paper ones, like the little drawstring ones. So first thing in here is the Belief Aqua Bomb sleeping mask. Oh, this is just like a little mini thing to use once. And this is $10 a month. I do pay for this myself, which I know a lot of people are like, oh, there's little sample sizes. And it's true. They're little sample sizes for $10, so you just take as you want, like from that, you know. Either you're gonna be like cool with it, or you're gonna be like, that's too expensive. So next up is the Harjo hair care. This is a nourishing cleansing cream and deep treatment butter, and it's just like this. I was hoping it would be more products. Like I'm okay with, like this. This is the Bite Beauty matte cream lip crayon in glaze. If you see here, see, I'm okay with this kind of size thing. Even if it was just like 3 products and they're both all 3 this kind of size, I would be cool with. This looks like a beautiful like mauve-y color right there. But sadly, I feel like we get a lot of these like samples, and that's what's kind of like, ugh. Next up is the Lala Retro Whipped Cream, and this is from Drunk Elephant. I've tried this previously and really like it. And that is a nice sample in there. And then, let me see. Then I have the Beauty Cleanser Solid Pro, which I am always all about using these to clean my brushes. This will help at least clean up quite a few eye brushes. And then the last thing in here is the Good Genes Lactic Acid Treatment. So it seems like it's just a little, I don't know why it's in this bag, but it says apply morning and night. It's supposed to have a high potency of lactic acid to exfoliate your skin. I've always wanted to try this Good Genes, because so many people rave about this. So I'm super excited to actually try this, even though it's like really itty bitty. I don't know, for this month I'm excited. Oh. Okay, so just dropped a few things on the floor, but I have to say, out of this month's bag, I'm okay with the majority of it, because it came with 6 products. I think that they knew that these were like not gonna fly with people, so they went ahead and put like both of these in here. This is a nice one to kind of see. I think this will probably, I could use it like 3 times and see if it really does anything for my skin. This I've used before and I really like it, and I feel like this lasts quite a nice time. Of course, the Bite Beauty is a good size. It's like their regular size of little mini travels, and then the Solid Beauty Pro. I'm kind of on the fence of whether to keep the subscription or not. Let me know down below. Are you guys still into these Sephora play boxes? Are you like so over them? Like, who the hell wants minis anymore? Or, you know, I'd love to hear your opinion back on this box. I'm just kind of like up in the air right now. I really want to unsubscribe just for now, just for the time being, because I really want to use up products, declutter, and that whole 9 yards. So let me know your opinion down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, for subscribing. If you're not subscribed, definitely hit that little red button down below. Love you guys, and until the next one. Bye guys.